How to increase RAM on PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way how to do it. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first step that you need to do is to go to your File Explorer and open My File Explorer. Then on your left, you are going to see this PC. So you need to right click on it. Then go to Properties. So it will open about your PC. So if you come here, you are going to see installed RAM is 8 GB for my PC. So once you have known that, you will now go to your left, related settings. You are going to see advanced system settings. Click on it. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So I'm going to minimize these settings. Then I'll bring this window here. Then now once you are here, you are going to see performance. Under performance, you will see settings. Click on it. Then it will land you here. So once you are here, you are going to click on advanced. Then it will bring you here. So here you will see that virtual memory, a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. So any space that is in your hard disk, Windows can use that as your RAM. Now if I open File Explorer, you will see that I have this space here, which I want to use as an extension for my RAM. So once you've known that, you are going to click on change. Then you will unselect this box here. Then here you are going to choose the drive which you have space. As you can see on my File Explorer, this is the one which I have space. New volume D. So this is the one that I'm going to select. Then you will come and select custom size. Then here, as you can see, we have initial size and maximum size. So here you need to, so this is very important because you need to know the size which you are going to insert here. I've already made a note here that will help us to calculate the size that we need. So as you can see, initial size RAM times 1.5, then maximum size RAM times 3.0. So if you have 4 GB, you are going to calculate, you are going to convert that 4 GB to MBs and then multiply times 1.5 for initial, and then for maximum, you are going to multiply times 3. So for me, I'm using 8 GB RAM, so I'm going to multiply 8 times 1024 times 1.5 for initial. So I'm going to open a calculator here. I'll use calculator. So here for initial, I'm going to multiply 8 times 1024 times 1.5. So it is 12 to 88. 12 to 88. So ensure that we have entered the digits without the comma. Then for maximum it is 8 times 1024 times 3, which is 24, 576. I'm going to copy it and paste it here. Then I'll remove this comma. Then once you've done that, you are going to click on set. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Then OK. Then you must restart your computer to apply these changes. Before restarting, save any open file and close all the programs. So you need to restart your computer for the changes to occur. And once you've done that, you'll have boosted your PC and you'll have increased your RAM. So that's simply it, guys. That's how you can increase RAM on PC and laptop. And I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.